In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the Temu minimum purchase limit. So what we want to do is just first load up the Temu app, and here we will click on EU found in the center at the bottom. So click on EU, and now what we want to do is select the headset icon in the top right corner. Okay, so it's this one, just click on it, and now we want to go into Contact Us. Now what you can do here, this is going to be the virtual assistant. What you can do is type something like, please remove the minimum purchase limit. I cannot afford it. Something like that. And you want to send it. Now, what this is going to do, it's not going to always work, but sometimes this is going to help with removing the purchase limit. So they might get in contact with you, and then they can further assist you with this issue. So basically, like I said, it's not gonna always work, but sometimes you will get in contact with a real person, and they can remove this purchase limit for you. So I hope this helps. Hope this works. Leave a like and sub, it's worth a try, and I'll see you next time.